Did you know that summertime heat can wreak havoc on your car? Your engine, AC, and electrical systems are more likely to fail. Also, some of the most expensive to repair. The fact is, summer is here. Are you ready? Is your car? Besides changing the oil and checking your tires, there's one more thing you need to do for your vehicle before the weather changes. Call CarShield. If you call CarShield now, before your car breaks down, you can get coverage for expensive repairs on your engine, transmission, electrical, and up to 5,000 other parts in your vehicle.
CarShield is the nation's most trusted auto protection company for out-of-warranty cars. And if you call now, you get CarShield's price lock guarantee with a monthly payment that doesn't change for as long as you cover your car.
Now that I have a plan through CarShield, I don't worry about breakdowns. CarShield helped me save over $1,200.
Heat can affect your car. When you call CarShield, plans include 24/7 roadside assistance, like towing, lockout help, dead battery, tire changes, and more. These are services that could cost you separately, unless you've called CarShield.
I live in the South, and summers are brutal. And the last thing any Southern person wants is an air conditioner to break. CarShield came through for me in the dead of summer in the South.
A new season means there's plenty to do. Make sure you add Call CarShield to that list. With the price of everything soaring, don't get stuck with unexpected repair bills in what should be the best time of the year. If your car is out of warranty, you need to call CarShield now, because car breakdowns will happen.
Get protection on major parts and systems for one low monthly cost. Call CarShield now. A live representative is ready to take your call. Lock in your price and plan in just minutes. Call now for your free quote and first month free.
Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.